welcome to my cooking show. I like to play soccer with my dad and frisbee with him and pretend to be snakes. Today we're gonna make pretzels. So this is how you make pretzels. We're gonna be mixing all the ingredients in a bowl. Done. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of warm water. And stir it together gently. It's getting so goopy. I've never done this before. Use your hands to mix the dough together. Next, put the dough on the counter to knead it. That was so big. Turn, flip, squish. Knead the dough for 5 minutes or until it's soft. Put the dough in a lightly greased bowl. Cover it with a towel. Let it rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. While the dough is rising, have an adult help you with the next step. Mix 1 cup of boiling water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Stir until it's dissolved, then let it cool. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees. Dump the dough onto your counter. Have an adult divide it into 8 pieces. Let your dough rest for 5 minutes. Pour your baking soda and water into a dish. Next, we're gonna roll the dough into a long rope. Now twist it into a shape of a pretzel. Here is our first pretzel. First, make a U, twist, flip, bring it down. Now that our pretzels are fresh out of the oven, now we spread some butter.
soft baked pretzels. What do you think, William?
Good.
Do you think they're going to be yummy?
Oh, yeah, they are.
Why don't you take a bite and tell us how they taste?
Okay.
I think it's a winner. The recipe is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.